But the song I think that turned me around to get back into Hawaiian music was a song on that album, that red album with the Sunset Way. And it was a song that was actually a chant. And Eddie Kamai was the one that transformed it into a melody that we could all sing. The song is called Ke Ano Ahiahi, which means my love for the evening. And it was the first song that talked about the sailing of the ship in the evening. For in Hawaii, in Honolulu Harbor, the tides would come in then. Back in the days of our king, Lunalilo. And this particular ship sails to the Big Island of America. So Eddie went to research and he came up with the opening line, which was a shout out, an order from the first mate to the crew. And what he says is, prepare to sail, pull up the anchor, and away we go. Song from that red album, Ke Ano Ahiahi. Naluina, huki mai ka helma, uma kaukau, olaku. Ke ano ahiahi, ke aloha, hadi hadi anda mai. Ke ano ahiahi, ke aloha, ka hadi hadi anda mai.
anymore.